Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with USAA for military banking step by step clearly. To connect with USAA for military banking, start by visiting the USAA website. Once you are on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. If you are a new user, select the Not a Member Yet link to begin the registration process. Provide your personal information as requested, including your name, address, and military affiliation. Next, create a username and password to secure your account. After completing your registration, return to the home page and click on Login again. Enter your newly created username and password to access your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to see various banking options available. To connect directly with customer support, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Contact Us link to find various ways to reach USAA. You can choose to call the customer service number or initiate a live chat. If you prefer, you can also send a secure message through your account dashboard. For immediate assistance, consider the chat option for quicker response times. If you choose to call, have your member number ready for faster service. Once connected with a representative, explain your banking needs clearly. Follow any instructions provided by the representative to complete your banking setup or inquiries. Additionally, explore mobile banking options by downloading the USAA app from your device's App Store. Log into the app with your username and password for on-the-go banking. Take advantage of the app features like mobile check deposit and account management. If you need further assistance, refer to USAA's extensive online resources or community forums. This completes your steps to connect with USAA for military banking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.